Good morning. How are you? It's so nice to have you here with me today. Good morning. How are you? How do you do? Hello, good day. Now that we're together, learning so much fun. The more of us, the better. So come on, everyone. Good morning. How are you? Good morning, children. How are you today? I'm Miss Rubina and welcome to my classroom. Let's begin with circle time. Let's start with the days of the week. Days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now say along with me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now tell me, what day is it today? Yesterday was Wednesday. So today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday all day long. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday all day long. Thursday. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Now let's see the letter of the week. Letter of the week is letter F. This is uppercase letter F. This is lowercase letter f. Letter F makes a sound F. Letter F makes a sound F. Every letter makes a sound and F says F. Every letter makes a sound and F says F. Now let's see the number of the week. Number of the week is number 6. Number of the week is number 6. Let's count 6 using our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm holding up 6 fingers. Now let's see the sight word. Sight word of the week is in. Sight word of the week is in. Repeat after me. In. Look here and read. In. Now let's see the color of the week. Color of the week is purple. Purple is a secondary color. We get purple color by mixing two primary colors, red and blue. Now let's see the pictures. Purple flower, purple bag, purple butterfly, purple eggplant, purple grapes, purple raincoat. Now say along with me. Purple flower, purple bag, purple butterfly, purple eggplant, purple grapes, purple raincoat. Good job. Now let's see the shape of the week. Shape of the week is rhombus. Shape of the week is rhombus. Rhombus is a four-sided shape. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. All the sides of a rhombus are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Now let's see the pictures. Rhombus-shaped kite, rhombus-shaped earrings, rhombus-shaped ring head, rhombus-shaped Christmas cookie, rhombus-shaped signboard, rhombus-shaped sweet. Now say along with me. Rhombus-shaped kite, rhombus-shaped earrings, rhombus-shaped ring head, rhombus-shaped Christmas cookie, rhombus-shaped signboard, rhombus-shaped sweet. Now it's time to count 1 to 20. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. Now it's time to say the sounds of letters A to H. Let's start. This is uppercase letter A. This is lowercase letter A. Letter A makes a sound A. Letter A makes a sound A. This is uppercase letter B. This is lowercase letter B. Letter B makes a sound B. Letter B makes a sound B. This is uppercase letter C. This is lowercase letter c. Letter C makes a sound K. Letter C makes a sound K. This is uppercase letter D. This is lowercase letter d. Letter D makes a sound D. Letter D makes a sound D. This is uppercase letter E. This is lowercase letter e. Letter E makes a sound E. Letter E makes a sound E. This is uppercase letter F. This is lowercase letter f. Letter F makes a sound F. Letter F makes a sound F. This is uppercase letter G. This is lowercase letter g. Letter G makes a sound G. Letter G makes a sound G. This is uppercase letter H. This is lowercase letter h. Letter H makes a sound H. Letter H makes a sound H. I hope you all were saying the sounds along with me. So children, today is Thursday and on Thursdays we do art and craft. Let's go. Now let's make a fish. Fish starts with letter F. To make this fish, we need a square-shaped construction paper. Fold the paper diagonally to make a triangle. Unfold it. Bring both the corners to align with the central crease like this. This is called a kite fold. Unfold it. Now one more time we'll fold the paper diagonally to make a triangle. Now using a pair of scissors, we are going to cut this corner like this to make the head of the fish. After cutting, it looks like this. Fold it again and cut evenly spaced slits. While cutting, we will not go beyond the crease line. Like this. It's done. Now it's time to apply some glue and stick these two triangular parts together like this. The body of the fish is ready. Now let's stick the tail. We need heart-shaped paper to make the tail. Apply some glue and stick like this. Now it's time to make the mouth. To make the mouth, we need an orange color circle and on top of it, stick a blue color circle. The blue circle is little smaller than the orange one. Stick them together nicely. Paste it under the head of the fish. Apply some glue and stick it under the head. To make the fins, we need drop-shaped papers. Apply some glue like this and stick it under the fish. One more on the other side. Now it's time to stick the eyes. I have made the eyes using black and white colored paper. You can also use googly eyes. One more like this. It's done. So today we made this moving fish using paper. I hope you all liked it and you're going to make this with the help of your mom and dad. I hope you liked today's video. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until then, goodbye.